Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin Khot bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 5% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hilaban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hilaru ban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, arn riwe khandai pra.
Ka Indian Institute of Management Shillong haga khatway tarik unaitung arajar arpulai kalalum Jingïalang ya ka senjuk kinong sensiar shnong ka bri unyo trap balalam khmat dau General Secretary uba RL Bla ban yakren sani kumno ban Pynshlur ya ki Samla Pule jonggane ka jilla Meghalaya bakin Pule hagane ka Shillong Pule ka badon hagane ka nongba Shillong. Hagane ka Jingïalang ladon lang ru ki nong mi khmat na ki Shillong Pule ki bakentup ya ka Shillong College, Synod College, but o Father Richard Manbha Majau, uba mi khmat ya ka Shillong Archdiocese Education Society.
As far as Shillong is concerned, we are having 3 different programs, that is MBA, PhD and Executive MBA. But also we are having centers, that is Center for Development of Northeast Region, and also Center for the Incubation and New Startups, also a Center for Dr. Abdul Kalam Center for Policy Research. So today we have just requested all the Devashno people just to have some interaction dialogue with us so that we can understand their aspirations, their expectations from Shillong. Because we are here and our students, they come through a very rigorous, tough test, and there are about 700 students. And our students and all faculty colleagues, they would like to contribute something for the development of this region. So we were just trying to understand their expectations from Shillong. Also, we also wanted to give us our vision that how we are going to do in the next 2-3 years. Like for example, we would now like to be going to all the schools and colleges of this place so that we can really make them aware about that how admissions in IIM happens. It could be IIM Shillong or any IIMs because there are only 20 IIMs. Students of this place and from all the Northeast region, they should know that how to enter IIM Shillong, because sometimes they think that it is only for the elite class or their fees is very, very high. But we want to dispel all such fears because anybody can join us but only need some guidance or some mentoring or some hard work. And so that's the reason why we would like to go to different schools and colleges just to tell them that how to prepare for this exam, how to get admission, and as far as fees is concerned, the loans are available. Anybody who's getting admission IIM Shillong, the loans are available without any collateral. And again, our placements, as we know, that is 100%, it's very good placements, so it should not be a problem for anybody. So today we have just wanted to have a dialogue to understanding that what are their expectations and how Shillong can really reach out to all these people in the community at large and then see that how we can really contribute to this. 5 students have already completed and 2 students, they have come this year after so many years. So this is what that it is a concern for us that why students are not joining from this area. So that's the reason why we have just taken the support from the. To tell you that from this year we have got 12 students from all the Northeast region and 5 are tribal students. 2 are from Meghalaya this year and 2 are from Assam and 1 is from Agartala. So we want that in the next 5 years, number of students in IIMs, it should increase. So that's the reason why we have now taken up a project. Our Sadhana, the center would be taking up this project and would like to guide them, make them aware, and also would like to give them coaching so that after some time, they are the more and more students they should be joining IIMs. Given us all support, they have assured us that in whatever ways that our students, because we want to send our students also to different regions just to understand the pain points of the people and then maybe some solutions for them, and they have assured us that we are there to support.
But kajimpan pau jong new director nudu ka snibe keren ru kalong ba ulap dan nila bun snang. Nrei ke basmosi kalong ba kitrai snong kitrai muluk kikna ki jongi kim wan ban wat admission hang ni ti ka scholarship ru bon ki hap phai no mon don bawan ti wat mentau snem ru ki don tang sangut ki tribals no northeast but na ka jela ka jungi don tang arngot ti ka I ka bami nang ni kalong dak ba ngu na kalian bersenjuk marni nyemuan na kata background di educationist but ni na kalian jungi ni apat ka special invitation kong Iva ban Harpungor ban don ni principal ka Shillong College I Father Richard Majau representing ya ka institute yung Catholic institution borok koi but ni don nungru ye ba ben lundok represent ya ka Synod College ti nia wan ni ba ni yo ban snap ya ka ai ba kini ki nong hikai nadu director jong ka IIM ki don banya thu bat ko kubor ko bamantoy engi kolong ba ni nang pathat ba kani ka school ba ka Shillong ba tang ban Pule Khot ba bat ka Jinglut ru ko bajur dan rai na pan thu engi ba sisen ba kila qualify ki students ya ka examination laki wan hang ne ka sponsorship na financial institution kalong sispa 100% but ndang la dep ang ni ka placement ya ki kamru pala up lupa na lor kani ka IIM ka kwa ban yasno ti bat ki dorbar snong bat ki school bat ki colleges bat ki kloy ban le kini ki college ki school hasor ne hanong kendang ban le ban persmutu ban ai ya ka jing yarap ya ki tuginong kendong ki kena school nong kendong ban Pynshlur ki ha ka Pule ka dangle bat ya kitu ki bala kwa ban sedang ban trailer ka kam lo jong kilat kelenti kumno ban penyo ya ka funds ya ki kumno ban ai training ya ki bat ka don kata ka sector baki Khot hapo ka ni ka institute jong ka IIM ka de ka balong ka incubation period center ka baki hikai yaki ai training yaki khna ba kin pan khre elati tingis nakaliang jungi pi hapo not easy de tang kani khoi ka IIM ka badan hang ne habaro khoi kari India ki don arpotuli kani ka de banyo hot na po state ka jungi ni yo sngo man ngi ina ka post ka port baki khna khasi jungi ki pass qualifying ki IIM kat bang nakala jong pat ndon bawan henry lamba kani ka jingkhang ba play menta kasngi balaya tho do new director long ki kloy ban ai ka khti ka mon ka khti ka diang ban yarap ya ki brio lo jong nongkong ai ban ngis ngongu new director wat do dei bom dei na kani ka jella henry udan kata ka jingkit khale ba balik tra jella ki muan syakmat ti nakaliang ka jongi ngila ai ka khti ka mon ka khti ka diang ya ka ni ki institute but sungu ru ikini ki laingot ki beton lang bak ni ki ba ni ki institutions ki prepare ba ikong nei la invite yaki I father ru kumjo ba ben ru kumjo bakin one ki institute ki jongki bakin ai ki lectures ki jongki syaki khna school ki khna college kumno ban batai yaki hagano kom ki kwa ban pensyong nong rem ki jing em lo jong ban sedang ya ke kam lo jong kumno ban teng ya ke Pule dang de bat ka don ru ka wei ka snat ke ba kidang supeni menta bat kata ka de ka badai bat ka ni ka a language issue bat ki hikai na menta ka ktin Japan bat ka duration jong kata ka course kalong shipu bana bat kindala dep ya kata ka don ru ka placement bakila ben trace po Japan but bun ki wei ki department support ka ni ka IIM ki plelat ki plelenti kalong job oriented sisin bala dep nang nin ai training nang ni kin yo bat ngi khmil nti daga jingwan jongki ski institute ki bab her nado ki school sedo ki college kan ai bat kan plelat iki khna ki jongi bangim dei bat ngo do lat kut lat bangi wan iki yeng ki badok ki basdam niki jaka ki bukendong marhang ne ka IIM ko ong ba ka airu ya ka hostel facility ka balong free ki mahap at sir ngai ni hap ban pen i bang nilong ki badon kata ka capacity bat ki wei pat ki student ha ka ri India hi barok koi lapte kat ni ngut ki kena kasi ngila produce niki IIM ke bapher niki wei ki institute jong ri India ni kwa ba na kan ni ke badon hapo ka nongba ka jongi ka jela ka jongi ha kini ki sansnem ke banwan bengin i ba kimi diki phongot ki ba qualify ya kini ka IIM
Kungen ngisku kuen begidan kan kini ki Islam ni kini ka jaka hakab ai kum kini ki jang ki stan but Khot kalong challenging banwan Pule hakum kini ki jaka tangba ki kena juni kini ki kena ki bestan ni don ye ke jingkerman la da kitip ye kini begidan ye kini ki jing angun ben musuh bunong ni sala banyo shibun ki kena ki ba pas na kum kini ki institute but keban selong ru ka jumentoy ya ye kari juni na tai ki jai bendriu ki juni bat ngit skam ba lumba ke ni ke sgi ke mengi yo wan hangi kan long ru kala na ke bentai juni ban yo on batai lemi ki wei ki badan je ke chang ni ki pang haka Pule kadang ni ke juni
ni nakaliang jong ki naka school ba na ki colleges de ngala kham ni kwa ban khamban mak IIM kan kanya trilang ban ni colleges hakaliang ban ki kai ki ban train ki ban yo ki kam ki jam ban train ki ban face ki interview ki soft skills yang pentip shingi ki program jo fina na ta ki khna haka sengi ki kam ki jam la jong kuma kadon to set na kum ta ter ti kum ju rungi ong ba pentip ai jing tip shingi ki training program amenya rilang IIM hakaliang bangin train ki nong kai jong ru ki khna jumi kanumlong bakut no step ya ka yuji ndri bakin perkhat banang ki shaplang tahi ka bang istna ra bang iwan takat sini isu thu ba IIM ka dan hang ni raja palak kapsan sinem amba kumangi kren hi amba nimda yo pa ta jingtip spangal komplej ko IIM ang iskem kani ka meeting takat sini ka pli ya kata kalenti ba IIM kan collaborate pat ki colleges badon ka Meghalaya ontong ba ki colleges ndai ba school makanya kan kay lang ba ki Shillong kan ra ya ki jingman toy kan ka trickle down effect kan kay bagini ki jingman toy kin ya do sa baro ba kena jumi kin yo kam yo jam bakin yo ki jingman ba ka rihi kan yo jingman toy kira ka IM ko long belak keluar Mga try kinsa katkum ko Jingïalang mentasi de kinsa one right structured plan. Kamlong bakan sedang no menta tengah try ka sawan ka kanakin hab ya work out kin hab ya na ka plan ka di banlong ka ba kalong very structured kumno bakin move kini ki Jingïalang menta amon right ki Jingïalang kita ki mga stu mentasi.
te nakaliang jongi gi bawan ila ai bun gi jingmut jing perkhat kin ya chakmat but artali ni kini ngan suban minta kawai kalong ba let's say kila ban pelong ya ka coaching class na ka benta gitu gi kena ki bakwa ban le ya ka cat exam amar lada ka IIM kala ban pelong ya kan ni nisngau ba kan long ga jingarap sibun tiga ta ka jing ai jingmut ru kila pediang but kumbala ong imam ni Dr. Kharpungor principal jong ka Shillong College kinsa pen kre ka structured plan kumno kin penya chakman but let's say kinsa shimru ya kan ka suggestion kabaar kalong gajing ajing mot kalong ba balay mo pi kum ka IIM pim adopt ru ya kini ki Shillong gi jongi da ka badon ga village adoption program ilaban adopt da ka bastang kawai ha Chantia Hills kawai ha Kasil kawai ha Garo Hills pidon kum ka IIM pidon ka sab ka phong jong kino hikai baro ibalaban kedup ya kita ki badunan du abaro kilya pidon ru igitu gi student gi balapas ki ba kloy ban yarap tikam don jing e ban ya chakaman kita gi jing ai jing mut ki jongi but let's say mi katman ba kini ki banai gisnam gi banwan ka IIM ru kala ban shim mi kini penya ki shakmat